Hey y'all, this is Bolen Outdoors, and today I want to talk about this Savage Axis in 30-06. So, if you're looking for a good cheap rifle, maybe you're new to hunting, you're just trying to get into it, break the ice a little bit, see if you like it, or maybe you just want a good backup rifle, just in case. This is absolutely, in my opinion, the best option that's out there. Now, this one specifically, you might notice the stock's a little bit older. It has the older Bushnell scope on it. They have changed the design of the stock a little bit, and they've updated the scope. It's still Bushnell, but just looks a little different. I picked this up about 13 years ago from the sporting goods store nearby, and they had it on sale. Plus, Savage had a $100 mail-in rebate. I got this for $250, and I'll tell you, over the years, it's put an awful lot of meat in the deep freezer. It's done its job, many times over. All right, now, right now on the market, there's a lot of companies, I should say this, that are offering budget options that have a lot of premium features. Cerakote barrels, maybe fluted barrels, threaded at the end, premium stocks, and those sorts of features. Used to be you'd have to spend over $1,000 to get that kind of stuff. Now you can spend under $1,000 and get it, which is awesome. Great deals. But for something that's just bare bones, nothing fancy to it, again, this is, in my opinion, the best option that's out there. You don't have anything too crazy going on as far as your bolt's concerned, just double lug. As far as the magazine's concerned, just a flush box. And that's about it. Thumb safety, nothing else really to it. Composite stock. About the one and only issue I've ever had over the years is sometimes loading it. I've had a couple of times where I've had feed issues, but it wasn't major. It didn't cost me to miss a deer or miss an opportunity deer. I just kind of gave it a little jiggle and it went right in. Now, as far as the accuracy on these, and I think anyone who's ever shot them will tell you this, there's probably not a better pound for pound rifle for the dollar that you get as far as how accurate it is. On my end, I'm usually getting, a half-inch group every time I shoot. Obviously get it sighted in. And that's with just about any round I'm using. I primarily use Winchester Deer Hunter XPs in 165 grain. Barrel maybe gets warm. I might be shooting, 0.6 or 0.7, but I don't think I've ever had it once it's tuned in hitting over an inch or at an inch for that matter. And I've shot Federal out of this, Remington. It seems to, feed them and load all about the same. But hope that was helpful. As said, if you have any questions about this, please feel free to comment below, and we'll see you in the woods.